Alright guys, we're gonna do a bike check, and my voice is like raspy right now. I think I lost it a few days ago, and I think I have like the cold or something, I don't know. So, starting off on top, we have ODI long neck grips, ODI nylon bar ends, Colt Leader V2 bars in black chrome, a Sunday Free stem in black, a Shadow Corvus headset, Odyssey R32 forks, a Primo N4FL front hub, the hub guards, laced with Primo spokes to a G-Sport roll cage, Odyssey M peg in the front and the back, stock Stollen center frame, Animal Hamilton PC pedals, stock Stollen cranks, stock Stollen sprocket, a Colt half-link chain in black, a Stollen Thermalite seat post, a Shadow Penumbra skull seat. Oh yeah, Demolition Momentum tires, 2.3 front and back, 2.3, Odyssey M peg, G-Sport roll cage again for the rim, G-Sport roll cage, the Madera hub in the nickel color. It's kind of hard to see it right now, but I guess you can see that. Profile Aegis hub guard, if you can see that. And yeah, I'll give you guys a hub sound real quick. So yeah, I'm working on my edit now. It should be out soon. I'm filming today in a few hours after I get out of school, and then hopefully it'll be done by like next week. So please hit the like button, it helps out a lot, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.